Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. That's cool.
Yeah.
Buildings. And you can see
it's like Kobe Bryant shooting free throws.
Yeah.
It's like the first bench in the World Series. That's really cool. It's like they're turning the lights on and off. I've seen fireworks before. I haven't seen this before. Penthouse. Yeah. Really sure to have the flashes on top. All the way on top. You're doing something right.
Stay closer here.
Sorry. If you have that apartment, you got something. One day. At the penthouse now. Yeah, that's really cool. Even from church, you can see the water. Best city in the world, by the way.
That's right. That's fucking right.
Best fucking city in the world, right here. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, the corner. It is the best city that I've been to.
I don't know about anyone else, but I am sublimely happy right now.
This is cool.
It's cool to look at the buildings. I'm more.
No, the buildings are flipping me out, actually.
Every building right now is looking at this.
It's like a shared experience.
Everyone's at their window, like